Okay, see, there's no baking soda coming out. It's just such a small amount. You can't even tell, alright? And that's when you really need to be shaking this bottle, alright? Videotaping makes it hard. Alright, now, by palm sanding everything that's flat, leave the detailed sanding and use the baking soda blaster. See, the baking soda blaster will get down into all this without deforming or changing the shape of your detailing. All right, this is really detailed here. As you can see, we've got a lip. Okay, we've got this groove. This here, it's kind of like a bull nose here. Okay, so leave the baking soda blaster to do that work, but do all the flat sanding with your palm sander. The 100 grit works really well. 80 would work really well. And you could go to a 120 and then a 320. And if you use a 320, did you see how coarse the grain pattern here is? All right. Now, when I put a 220 on here, you will see it tightens it up. All right. And it refines the wood grain. It makes it smoother. All right. It's not as coarse when you use a finer sandpaper on this. All right. Now, I'm Ken. This is Home Improvement Tips, aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. Like, share, tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. The Harbor Freight Soda Blaster works well. You can operate at 90 pounds, maybe 92 pounds or so. You start to see not much baking soda coming through. It's not blasting off a whole lot. Grab the can and shake that bottle. I said can. Shake the bottle. Okay. And that's something you're going to constantly have to do. If you had some type of a vibrator on it, vibrating it, that would keep it going really, really well. And somebody have to invent and create and get creative and do something with the palm sander or something to give it some vibration. Otherwise, you just got to reach over and shake it ever so often as you're blasting. Got to keep your eye on it. Sometimes I'll turn the pressure up or down or off and then back on to get it to pull. That's the only drawback. But it's much, much safer than the sand. The sand is not toxic, but it can kill you. It can mess up your lungs. You do not want to breathe that. So be very, very careful. When you're using that sand, you want a mask and a good one, eye protection. So I hope this is helpful. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. How do you like it? Have you used one before? If you're new to this, works great with the paint, removing paint. This stain, polyurethane and stained, does a great job. And it's much, much safer. But you do not want to breathe this either. It can damage your lungs. Okay? You want to be outside. You want to put on a mask. You do not want to breathe that dust. Okay? So, let me know what you think. And tell a friend about home improvement tips. It's a win-win-win. So bye for now. God bless. Take care and never give up, because there's always a way. Always. Now, I'll put on a 220 on my sandpaper, on my palm sander, and I will show you how it refines the coarse grain of the oak hardwood. All right. All right, I'm taking off the 100. All right, 220, and I like to finish it off with 320. All right, let's do this. Okay, see, there's no baking soda coming out. It's just such a small amount, you can't even tell, all right? And that's when you really need to be shaking this bottle, all right? Videotaping makes it hard.